Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful strap. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This bag handle is known as I-cord. It is very easy to do and it looks so cute and beautiful. So now let's see how to do this beautiful bag handle. To do the bag handle, in the beginning we will leave some thread for weaving it in the project which we are doing. So we will make a slip knot. Do 3 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. Next we are going to insert the hook in the second chain. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Now we'll have 2 loops on the hook. Next, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. So now we'll have 3 loops on the hook. Next, we'll remove the hook from the loops, insert it in this first loop, then yarn over, pull through the first loop. Next, insert the hook in the next loop, yarn over, pull through that loop. Next, insert the hook in the last loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. So again we will be having 3 loops on the hook. So we need to repeat the second step till the required length of the bag strap you want to do. So next, remove the hook from the loops and insert the hook in this first loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop. So we need to be careful that these 2 loops doesn't go inside. Next, insert the hook in the next loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. And next, insert it in the next loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. So next, remove the loop, insert in the first loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. Next, insert it in the next loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. So next, insert it in the next loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. So remove it from the loop, insert in the first loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, insert it in the next loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, and insert in the next loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. So this is how it looks. We have to do them till the required length we want. After doing them till the required length, it looks like this. So next we are going to finish this. So yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops, chain 1, and extend the yarn a little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. The strap looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.